Alright, so it's finally time to fire up the Bigminis and let you guys hear what this thing sounds like. Got the exhaust all fabbed up, ready to go, and did all the, like little once-over, made sure the carb was all good, dialed in, and surprisingly, out of the box, the carb was pretty freaking good, so couldn't be more pumped with that. So going around the bike, what we had to do for the exhaust to make this work, because obviously this is an older style klx110 frame, which is a 2005. And then this Pro Circuit T6 is for a newer style gen KLX. So the issue I ran into on this thing, right here, this shock relocation bracket came up real high. So this drop down piece would hit and wouldn't allow me to bolt up the muffler. So what we had to do, Brandon at DH1 helped me out, get the exhaust all fabbed up here. So you can see right here, we just added about I think it was just under an inch, and that allowed us to get everything bolted up smooth underneath there. So fit and finish came out super good. We'll get it to focus just a little bit. As you can see the fitment all around here, which is kind of dark, kind of see right now, but we'll get some fire up clips on how this thing sounds. And this weekend we are getting ready to head out to, it's Thursday now, gonna be heading out to Tomahawk MX. They got a big pit bike race this weekend, so we'll be heading there and I'll get my first test rides in on it and really see what I think of the 194, but super pumped on it. I rode it around my buddy's house after we got the exhaust done, and it was pretty nasty, but you know, my Daytona, my Thump Star I should say, I still think the Anima 212 190 is definitely still faster, or at least has more torque from what it felt from first trying it out. Has more torque than the 194, but I think this bike's gonna have a more usable power. The handling and everything's probably gonna feel a lot better, but I don't know, we're gonna have to see. So yeah, let's get rolling on the stuff that everybody really wants to see. Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this little build that I did on this thing. Got the full rundown. There might be some carb tweaking that I might have to still do to this thing, but not really going to know until I get it on the track and really give it a feel. But overall, like I said in the previous videos, super pumped with how everything came out. I actually have a huge list of all the people I want to thank that put this build together and helped me do it all. We got Brandon Haas, DH1 Mods, he helped me fab up the exhaust pipe. We got Matt Gilbert at Factory Mini Bikes. He helped, I ordered the carb from him, intake, some like shock guards, little odds and end things to help get the thing all bolted together. We got Dalton Miller with TB Parts, supplying a lot of the motor parts. Threw in a set of tappet covers for me to throw on there. Super thankful for that he did that for me. We got Keystone Cycle Parts. They're the ones that did pretty much all of the motor internal stuff is who I got the stuff from. And then we got next on the list, we got Tony Leon, one of my good buddies. He helped me design the graphics on this thing. Hunter Weber, he helped with getting me new engine cases because the old ones are cracked. And then he got those sent out to me and hooked me up with that, and sourcing out a couple other small parts with this thing. Next we got Brandon Cummings. He did the graphics on the muffler. So if you guys want any color, he can do red, blue, high vis, turquoise, chrome colors, pretty much whatever you could really want to do custom on the exhaust decals. He also does full kits as well. But then we got DJ Siga. He helped 3D print me the front brake line guide, which is right here. It's got which I might go making a couple of these. It says 345 on there. It's just kind of my little logo that I came up with. So super pumped that we got that custom printed out, kind of like my own little touch in it. And then last but not least, I want to thank Chad Norman. He bored the cases out, and he made sure this thing, before I bolted it together, he checked the cylinder out, make sure the clearances weren't too tight, weren't too loose, before I really bolted everything up. But yeah, so that's everything that backed the build. Can't be thankful enough for everybody that helped me out get this thing together. So now it's time to get out and finally ride the thing. But yeah, we do also, one more thing I'm gonna add in here. We still got coming through here. These are all, this is a shop. Obviously, I work in a ATV motorcycle shop. This is something that I just picked up. It's a 2023 CRF110. So might see some stuff on that. I'm gonna try to keep that one stock and just cruise around on and whatnot. But we do still have one more build in the works. This is gonna be my stock limited bike. So I got a pile of parts here and whatnot. So definitely gonna be making another video on that. So we'll have at least one more build this year to get up on the YouTube, and hopefully we can get done with all this building and just focus on riding for the time being. But anyways, I think I'm gonna end the video off here. As always, if you guys enjoyed the video and the whole build, leave a like and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.